Alright, so today we're going to knock out a couple more pieces. You can see I got a couple MMD pieces here. I got these little splitters that go on the front, and I got these ones under the blinker, and then the little chin spoiler. So today I'm going to add the winglets that go here and as well on the rear. Alright, what I'm also going to do is throw on the wheel spacers that I took off to fit it onto a trailer. Right now they're not on there, so you'll see a little bit of before and after for that as well. Here are my wheel spacers. I'm going to throw those back on. These are the winglets for the rear, winglets for the front. And I'm going to replace the chin splitter because it hit a curb. Knocked that little nick on it right here. Alright, so that's what it looks like with the rear spacer on. Alright, so I then torqued each one of these individual bolts down to 130, 125, 130 with the torque wrench. Make sure you use a torque wrench. It's a little bit smaller, and they can't handle the 150 that these ones can handle. So, alright, going through the front one on now. Alright, so now you can see that the wheel spacers are on. See how the front's pretty flush, the back's flush. I just installed these front rocker winglets. On both sides. Alright, and here's the rear. It's got pretty good spacing on the rear. Just flush. I got that GT350 style mud flap there to go with the quad tip GT350 exhaust. But there she is.